Hi guys, I'm a big fan of these cards, and I had one set of them and I wanted to buy the other two, which was the animal deck and this archetypes. I'm so looking forward to opening this in front of you. It is really exciting for me, and I have been seeing some of my friends use it with some envy. But now I have my own set. Let me also open these. God, this is so tight. Finally. Cards are super tight. Thick plastic. Okay. Good for the cards. Hard for me. God. Big box again. And this is how it opens. These are made like a diamond. And they're round in shape. This is the thick fat book. Look at them. Beautiful book. And now let us look at the lovely beautiful cards. Just look at the box. Even the detailing inside is so beautiful. Okay, I can sit and admire this the whole day. Now let's look at the cards. Just look at these. These are the cards. Good stock. Should be easy to shuffle. Round box. Okay. Look at the cards. The cave, mountain, the temple. This is so beautiful, colorful, beautiful. Look at the back. So nice. Very uniquely colored. I had been looking at these for quite some time and only managed to buy these now. Super excited. Just look at this. See? Beautiful cards. You would have seen many of these cards being used by many. Well, it's new to me. I'm so excited having them in my hand. Love the smell of the card. I love new card smell. It's so exciting. It's like a new toy, like a candy, like an ice cream. You just want to hold it a little more. See? Just look at this. the Lovers. Thanatos, Death. Lovely cards. Really excited, and I want to be using these very soon in my readings. And I have been absent from making my videos and posting them due to my own personal reasons. And well, I'm not a pro. I am not so good at making videos, but I enjoy my work, and this is so exciting. I guess I'm doing what I can do best, and I'm just struggling to make the videos, which I would like to make more often. Love these lovely cards. So beautiful, so colorful. Amazing deck. Love them. Thank you.